Hi from Tosh Tires. I've got a Honda Accord here. Just doing the light bulbs on these, but before I do, I'm just going to show you which ones they are. If you switch the lights on, please, one click. Put the side lights on. Now you see he's done the side lights on. This one here is working. But if you look on the driver's side, it isn't. Now if you could put the main dip beam on. Second, two click. Yep. Right, it's not working. Both are not working. Now if you could put the full beam on, which flash at me please. Yep, that's working. So I believe the bulbs are definitely gone, because all of them are not working. It won't be the fuse. Before we go down to the fuse, we're going to remove the bulb, replace the bulb. If it is the bulb, happy days. If it isn't, then we're going to check further. Can you switch all the lights off please and switch the ignition off? Just going to show you how it's done now. Right, on the back here, if you look, there's a cover on the back, so you twist that cover, you pull, take it out. Now on the back there's a plug. That's the light bulb we need to replace. So if I undo the plug, so only undo the one that's on the bulb itself, so don't undo this one here. Right, now you got the spring, which on top here you push down and then pull back. Once you push down and pull back, you take the bulb out. Now you see how the bulb is fitted, that's how it needs to go back on. So I'll take the bulb out. As you see, the bulb is not good, right? It's blown up. Now on these ones, I've got the bulb out already. I knew which one they were. So you've got the H1s, which as you see, right? It's the H1, that's what we need to put back on. Got the bulb out here, it's the exactly same one. Now like I said to you, the way the bulb goes in, that's the way you take it out, that's how it goes back in. So if I shine the torch, put the bulb inside. Now once I've got the bulb in place, right, then I get the little spring, push the spring down and then pull it towards the left. Right, that's in there. I'll plug it back in, as you see that plug there. Right, just gonna go and check again, see if it is the right one. Switch the ignition on. One click, two click. Right, that's working now, as you would see. Like I said to you, so it's not the fuse, it's definitely the bulb. Same procedure I've got to do on the other side as well. I'm sure it's not going to be difficult, as you see there. So it is quite a simple procedure as well. You can remove this if you had to for the washer. Remove that, it's only held by a 10mm, and then you pull it out. Then you got easy access to it for either the 501 bulb and the H1 as well. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.